Welcome to Academic Partnerships at the University of Plymouth. In this podcast, we're going to talk about academic partnerships and quality assurance for external examiners. We are going to give you an overview of academic partnerships, talk to you about our mission and values, give you some information about our structures and how we're organised, and then talk to you about our quality assurance and the processes that we use with partners, and then signpost you to some more information.
To give a little bit more background about academic partnerships, the university has built up considerable experience of partnership working with formal partnerships starting in 1978 with our link with Cornwall College. Our ethos is one of working together with partners to enhance and extend educational, research and business opportunities both in the UK and internationally. Academic partnership includes both UK partnerships and international links. Our current portfolio includes regional further education colleges working with regional and national training and commercial providers. In the UK, this would include the Navy and the Institute of Exports. And again, internationally, we work with a range of types and sizes and scales of partnership. We have approximately 12,000 students on 350 awards being undertaken by students in 50 plus sites of delivery. We validate awards from level 4 to level 7. Our portfolio mainly consists of undergraduate provision, including things like HNC, HND, Cert AG, DIP AGs, foundation degrees, full degrees, postgraduate provision, including PG Certs and PG Tip, and full master's programs. Our taxonomy of collaborative provision includes validation of University of Plymouth awards that are designed by partners for their contexts. Here partners recruit and enrol all their own students, develop their own awards, and they are developed by their academic staff at their sites. These programs can be full-time, part-time. They can also be linked to apprenticeships and or accredited for CPD. This approach is most frequently used in our UK delivery. We also have contracted out programs where the program is delivered by the partner and or University of Plymouth staff using programs that are developed by the university. This model is most commonly used or frequently used in our international delivery. In addition, we have articulation agreements that enable entry based on agreed programs and credits to one of our programs at the university. For example, we have students who progress from foundation degrees at one of our regional partners to BA or BSc programs and topping up at the university. We also have exchange students operating under Erasmus. They can study at an international institution and receive credit back here on their University of Plymouth programs, or we can have University of Plymouth programs who study here in Plymouth and receive credit for their own programs when they go back to their own institutions. We also operate summer schools here in the UK and in China, and this is done with the support of our colleagues in the English Language Centre, also part of academic partnerships. Our approach to partnerships means that we interact with partners at multiple levels. The Director of AP and myself as Head of Partnerships often engage with principals and all the way through to staff providing support and administering programs. We also have partnership managers who work really closely with the managers of higher education in our partnerships, and again with program teams. Looking at and also we're supported in this work with links to dedicated faculty staff and our own administrative staff who provide dedicated support in these programs, and again working through links to specific areas in, for example, library, teaching and learning, digital media and computing specialists. And again, members of the team are also linked with sector and professional bodies. For example, the Association of Colleges and the Next Steps Southwest Regional Outreach Network. I'm going to take us through some of the mission and values of academic partnerships at the University of Plymouth. We work with a range of partners in developing distinctive programs that are right for their location, the potential students and regional employers. These are not designed to be a replication of what we have on campus. They could be in different subject areas, different combinations of subject or forms of delivery and assessment. Our relationship, our systems and communications and operations are all governed and supported by academic cooperation agreements that define the services and responsibilities of both the university and our partners. Also, the students are all students of the university and have access to a range of resources, support and guidance. And again, these are tailored to their particular locations and particular conditions and particular kinds of programs. More information is available about academic partnerships at the university by following the links on the university website through business and partners link, or searching for academic partnerships on the university website. Introducing you to who is in academic partnerships, we have a director that leads the senior management team with responsibility for UK and international partnerships and partnership operations. Our professional services staff are responsible for the operational aspects of enrolment, quality assurance and award processes. Each of our partners has a dedicated named administrator who is responsible for liaison with external examiners. For international partners, this is likely to include things like programme and partner information, samples of work, and attendance and reporting at subject assessment panels, and if you're an award external, the award assessment board. For UK partners, the main point of contact is likely to be the HE Management Office, who will liaise directly with you around EE processes and will arrange programme information, samples, and your visits. Our 7 partnership managers are responsible for the day-to-day running of the partnerships in terms of quality assurance, maintaining standards, and establishing new programme developments and business opportunities, each with responsibility for UK and international partners. As an external examiner, you will meet the programme manager at the subject assessment panel or the award assessment board as they chair these events, and they may be in contact with you throughout the year. All of our programme managers have strong backgrounds in academic delivery with many years of undergraduate and postgraduate delivery and PGR experience. They are also fellows, senior fellows of the HEA, the Staff Education Development Association, or other professional bodies like the CIPD. We also have, as part of AP, the English Language Centre that provides pre-sessional, in-country and in-sessional English for academic purposes support. They're a vital component of our internationalisation strategy. Our apprenticeship team also provides central support for the university's apprenticeship offer across levels 4 to 7 and is led by a dedicated apprenticeship manager. Underpinning the delivery of partnership programs are links between partners and the academic disciplinary staff in faculty and reside across schools and research institutes around the university. These academic liaison people, or ALPs, support program approvals, assist in the minor changes process and support progression of students from our partners to main campus programs. We also work with partners collectively, as in the SWIOT, which is the Southwest Institute of Technology, a 5-year engineering technology focused initiative bringing forward new awards focused on the needs of regional employers. The SWIOT involves 5 of our long-term college partners. In terms of new programs, these are submitted as proposals to the university's Academic Development and Partnerships Committee, ADPC for short, for approval. The Stage 1 and Stage 2 processes that follow this help to ensure the programs are subject to internal and external scrutiny and meet UK qualification standards for FHEQ and the UK Quality Code for Higher Education and also the QAA subject benchmarks.
Here we outline our quality assurance processes with partners. On the left side of the slide is an overview of our partnership and programme approval process. On the right side is an overview of the key elements of our annual quality assurance with partners, which we refer to as annual review. All partnership and programme approvals are first scrutinised by faculty and academic partnerships senior management teams, and this is prior to any proposal being submitted for central approval to the university's Academic Development and Partnerships Committee. In addition, programme approvals are then subjected to academic scrutiny and review, and this is overseen by our Central Quality and Standard Office and is subject to the normal internal and external scrutiny that you would expect in order for us to be assured that our programmes are meeting the UK Qualification Standards Quality Code and relevant QAA subject benchmarks. The internal reviewers of this process include the partnership manager and also a relevant academic staff member with expertise in the subject discipline of the programme. This person is referred to as an academic liaison person and is part of the ongoing support both during programme approval and subsequently to the programme and programme team as it's being delivered, maintained, reviewed and updated accordingly. Now, all academic partnership programmes are subject to an academic review, and this is undertaken by the partnership manager for that particular partner. And this review involves organising programmes into clusters around the discipline areas within each partner. The review will look at the range of quality measures, including areas such as programme metrics, for example, enrolment, tariffs, retention and progression, student achievement, student feedback. It will review programme plans and look at programme committee outcomes. And of course, as part of this process, importantly, it will also review the external examiner's formal report and response that's being made. Now, I mentioned a programme plan earlier, and this is a key document that's maintained by partners and their programme teams around aspects of programme management, quality and enhancement, and the student's experience. Importantly, it's a live document that is reviewed by programme teams and shared with the university, and it will also be shared with you as external examiners. Now, once the partnership manager has reviewed the evidence, they will write a written annual review report, and this report is used to support a dialogue between the university and the partner at an annual meeting that's known as a joint board of studies. Here, a formal report is presented and discussed and a response made by the partner. Now, in terms of our working with partners, we also, in addition, hold regular partner forum meetings to which all of our partners are invited. These now operate virtually via Zoom, and the agenda includes academic partnership and university updates, sector updates, and discussions and opportunities with a number of breakout discussions taking place, which all will tailor to the current issues facing both the partnerships and the sector as a whole. More information about academic partnerships can be found at our dedicated University of Plymouth website. The website address is shown here.